Yasu, I'm Teresa and this is AAA Kitchen. Today we will be learning how to make the classic Greek salad called Horiatiki. It's a summer favorite everyone is sure to enjoy. Let's get started. First, you will need tomatoes, cucumber, red onion cut into round thin slices, whole Kalamata olives with the pits, and large chunks of white hard feta cheese cut into cubes. After we've chopped the vegetables, we add extra virgin olive oil and just a little bit of sea salt because the cheese is usually salty enough, and you can always add more to your tasting. Mix everything until well blended, and finally spritz with oregano. Enjoy! For more recipes and information on how to order our world-class cheeses, visit AAAcheese.com and don't forget to enter this season's giveaway contest.